I mean, or I just hold the the PD closer to you. No,
Okay.
you won't be killed.
No, no. Hi, everyone. I'm Kjell Molord from Sysmex. I'm the sales engineer, environment and safety. And today I have pleasure to be here with our supplier, CAE Systems, with Maik.
Yes, I'm Mike from CAE Software and Systems. We are a Germany-based company, and we focus on making acoustic cameras, developing and producing them.
Yeah.
And today I brought with us the SoundCam Ultra 3. This is our smallest handheld acoustic camera. So the SoundCam Ultra 3 comes in this Pelly case. It's very handy, and inside we have some accessories. Of course, we have the charger, but we also have a power bank, so you can charge the camera while you're traveling. And we have headphones, so you can listen to the sound, and we can also make ultrasound audible. And here's the camera. On the front, we have 176 microphones. Then in the center, there's the video camera, which we use to overlay the acoustic image on. And we have the thermal camera here. And on the back screen, we have a high-resolution display where you can see the acoustic image. And could I ask you to rub over your arm now?
Yeah, sure.
And then you can see where the sound is coming now, live on the screen.
So the other example that I had of that my interesting is particle discharges. So I bring a simulator, particle discharges. Can we see that also on the camera?
Yeah, that's great. Let's open the partial discharge mode.
So indeed, I can see the loss of particle discharge, but on the screen I see also different kind of graphics. Can you tell me more about it?
Yes, so in the partial discharge mode, we have also some additional analytics, and here on the screen you can see the PRPD pattern of the PD. So if we can detect the type of the PD, we will show you the pattern here.
All right. And about reporting, is that the same as the leak detection?
Yes, it works similar. Once you have the PD in that box, it will turn green, and then on the right side you can click the report button here, give it a comment, and then you can save it.
Okay, thank you.
So with the SoundCam Ultra 3, we can see compressed air leaks, but also other gas leaks. And we have a handheld version, but also for 24/7 monitoring, we have a sensor version here.
So if there are any questions, please reach out and we can help you further.